To the honorable judges, respected teachers, ladies and gentlemen, and my fellow friends, I would like to give a speech entitled The Prison of Perfection. Perfection, noun, the condition, state, or quality of being free from all flaws or defects. I think the actual definition should be a 10-letter word describing something that doesn't exist, or prison, maybe straitjacket. See, perfection is a virus, a tumor, a growth. It infects the mind of who it attaches itself to until it eventually destroys the host. I hate the very word perfection. It has driven me crazy for years. Guided by fears, I was constantly comparing myself to my peers, stressing and striving to reach some ideal that only existed in here. Oh, you thought perfection was real? Well, I disagree. I mean, in real life, have you ever gone into a forest and seen a perfect tree? Nah, see, they all got a little something going on. Some lean this way, some lean that way. Some have a little too much moss, and some got a whole bunch of bark. It has been ripped off, but somehow they are all beautiful. But when it comes to people, we don't seem to see that we are all beautiful in our own expressions. So we dissect ourselves into pieces, judging each other, thinking perfection is something that we can achieve, which leads us to feel depleted and defeated. But Salva the lady said it best: have no fear of perfection, because you will never reach it. Ladies and gentlemen, life is too short to try to live up to something that doesn't even exist. It makes no sense. So please create your own unique expressions, color outside the lines. Be the pretzel that refuses to knot. Be the marble that doesn't quite roll right. Do the dance that nobody's ever seen before. And don't worry if people step and stare. I mean, if the Leaning Tower of Pisa was straight, nobody would care. See, when mistakes are made, beauty is birth. So I say, love your cracks. You may call it brokenness, but that is the way that your light will shine through. And if you have no one in your corner, then consider me your supporter, and we must smile together as the society tries to diagnose our gift as disorders. You don't need to be a perfect person with perfect makeup, perfect skill, or perfect build. Because the truth is, real people aren't perfect, and perfect people aren't real. Thank you.